In the dusty streets of Gaza, there lived a small, innocent child. His name was Yusuf. Destruction was spread all around him. Broken houses, deserted schools, and a life erased by fear. But there was one thing that was still intact: Yusuf's imagination, his dream-seeing heart. Yusuf's pictures were not like those of ordinary children. He showed those eyes that had tears, but no voice. Burnt toys, wrapped in rubble, schools, bags, and children trembling with fear, all breathed in his sketchbook. His silent pen had become a scream for the whole world. Yusuf's father was martyred in an attack. The first picture made in his memory was hidden under his mother's pillow. Whenever the bombing intensified, his mother would hold him close and say, "Son, your pictures are our voice." And Yusuf's eyes would fill with tears. Yusuf studied in a small school built underground. There was little light there, but the glow of determination was present. His teacher used to say, "The pen is a weapon that has more impact than the bombs." Yusuf made the pen his weapon. One day, a relief worker girl, Maria, saw Yusuf's pictures. She was astonished. "These are not sketches. These are living documents." She presented those pictures to the world. In just a few days, a voice rose. Through Gaza, Yusuf's pictures were displayed in cities all over the world. New York, London, in Istanbul. Everywhere people stopped, looked, and fell silent. A child who used to draw pictures with coal had now become a message of peace. But where does peace ever settle in Gaza? One night, Yusuf's dearest friend Ahmed was martyred in a bombing. Yusuf did not break. He made one last picture in which the two friends were flying a kite towards the blue sky, towards hope. A few days later, children from a school in London made a video call to Yusuf. Yusuf said, "If you had seen Gaza through my eyes, you would know that we dream even amidst bombs." Now he teaches the children of Gaza how to mold their voices into pictures. His sketchbook has now become a book. Through the eyes of a child in Gaza, he showed the world that without weapons, without noise, just with a pen, change can be brought.